This is Marika with the second episode of SFBFBVV voting. This is his most popular video with a whopping 36,000 views. The episode was released on Independence Day 2025. Here are the 10 remaining members of Team Red. Here are the 10 remaining members of Team Orange. Here are the 10 remaining members of Team Yellow. Here are the 10 remaining members of Team Green. Here are the 10 remaining members of Team Teal. Here are the 10 remaining members of Team Blue. Here are the 10 remaining members of Team Purple or Pink. Here are the 10 remaining members of Team White. And here are the 10 remaining members of Team Black. Last episode, Team Black was selected to be our full nation. Cake and Steak starts after 26 seconds, but it's just a single frame of the Cake and Steak intro. This is the first episode with scenarios. Many of the assets have been updated, and some of them don't match canon. TV reveals that we got only 3 votes. The announcer thanked the 3 voters. For some reason, Remote, Black Hole, and Bombi are tied with 1 like, so we need a tiebreaker. The total number of likes matches the total number of votes, which means we also got 3 dislikes. The announcer decides to spin a wheel, but instead of spinning the wheel, the announcer gives Remote a prize. The prize options are doubled in the wheel, but the announcer gives Remote a win token without spinning the wheel. Since Remote got her win token, she wouldn't use it. The first cake this time is an ice cream cake. Remote, Bombi, and April were the only ones that got 0 dislikes. Clapboard, Anchor, Dora, and Boom Mike also got 0 dislikes. But the announcer says, tied with 1 dislike each instead of 2 of them will go. The announcer said with 2 quickly, meaning TV, Black Hole, and Camera are tied with 1 dislike, so we need a tiebreaker. The announcer reveals a wheel containing the 3 contestants in the tie. The spinning motion of the wheel is skipped, but it landed on TV, meaning Black Hole and Camera are rejected. But the wheel spun again, and the spinning motion is skipped, but it landed on TV again. The wheel spun for the 3rd time, but it landed on Black Hole, which doesn't make sense. For some reason, the announcer gives Black Hole a slice of cake unnecessarily, and ejects TV instead. It is up to Team Orange to decide their fate. Let's hear the decision. The announcer ended the selection time too early, but with 2 votes, TV switches over to Team Orange. And just like that, the first person to eliminate this viewer voting is a failed debuter. Camera is sent to the Tiny Loser Chamber. This episode is the first one with the contest, and the contest is to be selected by the wheel. The wheel doesn't spin, but Team Red is marked as first. Every spin after that is completely skipped, but by the end of the contest, Team White is up for elimination. Without spinning the voting option wheel, the announcer selects vote to save. Voters can still vote in the letter square brackets. Sonic Fan says the voting time is at 6 p.m. instead of specifying a date. Too many people voted late, but only 5 people voted on time. Rip Kurt was the first person to vote, and he voted Snowball. According to the voting results for the episode, Cloudy, Nickel, Non-Existing, Needle, Incontested Return Document, and Rocky will be tied with 0 votes.